We got your Lord, we got your most. Welcome back. Today, let us see spelling in Dinka language. Spelling. Let us do spelling. Spelling, guys. Just to learn Dinka language. Okay. Number one. What can we write? Let's say mother. Mother in Dinka is called ma. Ma. Mother. And father in Dinka is called wa. 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 Father. And sister in Dinka is called Nyankai. Nya a na ka I e Nyankai. Sister. That is sister in Dinka. Nyankai. Then brother in Dinka is called Wamat. Wa a ma a ta. Wa a ma a ta. Wamat means brother. Brother. Uncle in Dinka is called Walan. Wa a la a na. Walan. Walan means uncle. Nyuwach in Dinka is called auntie. Auntie in Dinka is called Nyuwach. Nyuwach. Nya I wa acha. Nyuwach. Nyuwach auntie. And that is auntie. Saban wing. Cow in Dinka is called wing. Wa e nga. Wing cow. And young dog in Dinka is called young ja o nga. Young dog. How do you call donkey in Dinka? Donkey in Dinka is called akaja. A ka a ja a. Akaja is akaja donkey. 10. How do you call let's say son? Let's say son. Akol a ka o la. Akol means son. By William Jack. Okay, guys, this is a short spelling we have done. If you find it useful, please tell me so that I can be making a lot of spelling like this. And I write them in tablet now, and the pen is new, so step by step the pen is going to be okay, and I will be writing them well. So the pen is new and the tablet is new, and that's why writing some of the words like this, but I hope it's okay. Let us read. Number 1, ma, mother. Number 2, wa, father. Number 3, Nyankai, sister. Number 4, Wama, brother. Number 5, Wallen, uncle. Number 6, Nyuwach, auntie. Number 7, Weng, cow. Number 8, Jung, dog. Number 9, Akaja, donkey. Number 10, Akol, son. By William Jack. Right there. Nyali kawek, bye bye, uga ban yok, nyak.